Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is story writing. A farmer and his four sons, or unity is strength. Please do subscribe my channel. Once there was a farmer. He was an old man. He had four sons. They were always quarreling with each other. The farmer tried hard to bring them to the right path, but they would never pay attention to his advice. The farmer was very worried about their future. One day he thought of a plan. He called his sons and asked them to bring few sticks. When they brought the sticks, the farmer tied them in a bundle and asked them to try their strength to break it. Each of the sons tried to break the bundle but failed. Then the farmer untied the bundle and gave one stick each to break. Each of them was able to do it easily. The farmer said, "Now you understand? If you are united, nobody can get better of you. But you keep quarreling, you will be broken one by one." The four sons promised to live together. Then the old farmer was very happy. Moral of the story is, first is union is strength, and second is united we stand, divided we fall. Thanks for watching.